When you are in this gift wrap position, you've got top mount control, you got a nice tight gift wrap, a lot of options from here. I love going for a bow and arrow choke in this point. Now, it's not uncommon when you are in these gift wrap positions, when you have the tight grip, that they are gonna be trying to hide this hand and at least tuck the gift wrap and protect the gift wrap hand. Again, they're also gonna be trying to work towards their back. So it's essential for me that I keep my shoulder or my chest pressure behind their shoulder, behind their tricep, so that if he does try to turn into me, I can at least maintain that pressure there. Now, I have to, before I can even attempt the gift wrap again, we have to get this arm free. Now, the way that I like to do it, my cross face hand is actually going to look to scoop either inside the armpit or just inside the elbow. And I'm not looking to like crank this arm back, but just put a little bit of pressure on it. And as soon as I can get this hook in here, as I start leaning forward, I'm also going to start crunching this leg in a little bit, make it a little bit uncomfortable here, so that as I start coming, it naturally just opens up this arm a little bit for me to get my leg in. So now as I have this pressure, I can come up on my toes if I need to, but I'm looking to literally just swing this leg around and hook the inside of the arm and come right back down to my butt. And that's all I'm looking to do from here. Again, I can lock right back onto the gift wrap, hook this foot, don't just have this leg limp here. Actually use it to hook. Again, if he starts trying to get this hand free, I can easily just pull this arm out. But once you get into here, again, cross face hand, I'm looking to grab the inside of the lapel. Now at this point, I can pretty much let go of this gift wrap and I can use the hand that was controlling it. I can open up the lapel, grab. Now you got your cross choke, grab the pants, you start sitting back, and you get the bow and arrow. So again, you end up in this top mount, you got a nice tight gift wrap, the person's probably gonna be protecting it. Look to scoop this hand in, pressure forward, same time that I pressure forward, I pull this foot back a little bit just to break that grip, swing this leg through, and we sit right back down. From here, open up the lapel, get a nice deep grip, start pulling. A lot of times you can even finish the choke from here. Otherwise, grab the pants, and again, same time that I'm pulling them back with a bow and arrow, I'm also taking my top leg and kind of just doing a leg press with it and just making sure that I stretch them out as much as possible to get a nice tight grip. Now, an alternative, if we're doing this and for whatever reason he's really fighting this, he's got a good grip, this hand, I can continue to scoop this, my bottom leg, I'm gonna start tucking it up a little bit more, and as I start coming back, I can now swing my leg over the top, and we can actually finish with an arm. So if you don't get the bow and arrow, you can easily switch it to an arm bar, but there's a ton of options from there, but that's it. Gift wrap, bow and arrow, give it a shot. Thank you, handsome pants.